A 5-minute walk around downtown Los Angeles. Some of the sites are the Fashion District, the Flower District, the Santee Alley and Skid Row. This is the famous 6th Street Bridge. A fabulous bit of architecture. Now this is the Angel City Brewery on Traction Avenue. Fabulous old building. I'm just having a 5-minute walk around the centre of Los Angeles, and I seem to have arrived at an area called Skid Row. Because there's plenty of toilets about. No, we just go. Planes come in low round here, don't they? Now this is what is loosely described as the Fashion District. This is a Sunday view of it, so not much going on. Nice Sunday feeling down here. People selling party frocks, graduation outfits. Found a place called the Santee Alley, which is a massive sort of marketplace. It goes 7 days a week apparently, so we'll have a quick 5-minute walk around here and see what it's all about.
We come back for this one. Es que el teléfono no lo trae.
This is one of Los Angeles' hidden gems, the Santee Alley Market District. This is the heart of the Fabric Land District. This is what's known as the Flower District. This is actually in the wholesale part of the flower market, and it's the most fantastic smell in here. This area is known as Little Tokyo. We'll spend a couple of minutes here to see what it's all about. Well, thanks very much for watching, everyone. Hope you found that interesting. A very quick look around some of the downtown Los Angeles sites, some of the things that are not necessarily on the tourist map. If you'd like to subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to see what else I get up to on my travels. Thanks again for watching.